Okay, I'm doing now the blow dry, guys, to my friend. One day.
Wait. You're going to come in a day.
Today.
No, today forget it.
Tell me.
She's going to go.
Tell me. Just tell me when it's available.
Yeah. I'll let you know. It will have to be afternoon.
Huh?
Afternoon.
Yeah.
So I can get the carriage.
Then I'll have tea outside and things like that. Just yap chatting.
Where do you usually go?
We go to Workers Club.
Which one?
Here in Blackburn.
Yeah, I haven't been there for years.
Really?
Once in a while I used to go. But then once we got they're really new everything, but when you think the Mine Club, they have been new everything,
Right?
they haven't been the whole club.
Yeah.
It's in Temple Street.
Right?
Temple Street.
Oh, amazing.
How is that food? Who's the beef still the same?
This one. Now?
In Gravetown. At the Nine Works Club, how is still the bistro the same or they change everything?
This is the same. The biscuit?
Pardon?
Which one? Biscuits?
The bistro.
Bistro? No, bistro there. At the top? Oh, the one in the
bottom.
Yeah, still the same.
But
Expensive now than before. Before you can buy the beef, what's that? Beef steak doon, before $9.95. Now, expensive, 20 plus. All now is expensive.
Yeah, I haven't been there. Once in a while we used to go, even to watch a show or things like that.
Yeah. I watched the show before.
We had to go to the Diamond.
Diamond, yeah. Still, this thing. It's still a show there in Diamond.
But how much are their tickets now?
Oh, expensive.
Before it used to be
9, 7, 9, yeah. Now, 28, something like that.
The other, when was it? I heard that there was an Italian night, like of singers, and $45 for tickets. Something that they're kidding me.
Yeah.
I don't want it too short. It didn't grow that much, but
yeah.
So when you take these videos, you put them on YouTube and
No,
you have
in
the
my
face.
Facebook.
Your face. Don't ask to touch the front of me.
No, the ones are just at the back. If you want in the front, it's okay.
Huh?
If you want in the front, it's okay. But mostly my customer are just at the back. Yeah. Just done. Hair. Very nice, the color.
Yeah.
Suits your face. Beautiful.
I like this color.
Very nice, huh?
Very soft.
Very soft. Nice beard. Very
Very
smooth.
Is it even? Yes, it's even.
It's even.
Okay. Yeah, one day I would just, yeah.
Yeah, that way,
I'll see if I get a carrot to Vic, to stay with Vic in the afternoon.
Yeah. Friday night, Saturday night.
In the afternoon.
Huh?
In the afternoon, because
Yeah, in the afternoon.
in the night it's impossible.
Not impossible. Just in the afternoon because otherwise we can get cranky. Always looking.
It's never been jealous, but you know what? Sometimes I feel a little bit. I feel a little bit
At home, yeah, and then you outside.
I feel a little bit self-conscious. It's not jealous for me. Never been. You're giving me full service, you're driving my neck. So after me you go more. After me you go more.
One. Don't go yet. What time your error? Wait for me until I finish. Wait for me until I finish this. And then we go there. It's alright? Huh? It's alright? After this one, and then we go to your place.
My daughter probably she would have dropped in because she usually gets my shopping done on sometime on Saturdays.
She's the one doing shopping for you? Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's good.
She does the shopping because
She does
sometimes I
Yeah.
cannot get to the shop. And I want to.
You know my favorite color is green. Like all the kinds of green. Army green.
Yeah. Look
Everything. What happened to the
feeling
green
it.
one? Yeah, but it's still nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Where you buy all your
Oh,
clothes?
don't cut it off because I have to pack it inside. Otherwise, it's funny. You know what? Poor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we might organize next. Maybe next week.
Okay, bye for now, guys. I'm done with my customer. Bye.